welcome back to my channel. It's Unicorn Slime BFF Ever. JK, it's not actually Unicorn Slime BFF Ever because Kelsey is not here. Well, anyways, I have the bowl, mixing two of course. Got some water here. Huh? I know, right? And here's some food coloring I'm going to be using. Green. You guys might be weird. Like, not weird, like saying, what? I hate green. But, and I have this glue, and I did not know it could have another tip over there. This is PVA glue. Got some activator. I'm going to fold this up. Ooh, I forgot shaving cream. I got it here. So, first thing we need to make the activator, because why not? I'm gonna go to the sink first, guys. Okay, so first thing of all, we need some white glue. Actually, okay, last time I used like a lot. I need to take the spoon out first. I'm gonna be making fluffy slime today again. So this is the shaving cream, and now I need to add this glue, and you can even like open this way button. It's so sad. Like you can, like, you guys might not hear it, but we need to like not waste it because still making another slime. So I think that's enough. We need to food color. We need some green out. Different colors in there. I used to have blue, but now it's like ruined.